A simple polarization device is designed for observations in polarized light. This method reveals the optical anisotropic properties of materials that are not visible under normal illumination. The device consists of two components, a polarizer and an analyzer. The polarizer is installed at the base of the microscope above the transmitted light source. It only allows waves oscillating in a specified plane to pass through. The analyzer is placed after the specimen. It is screwed onto the cover of the objective part. The analyzer detects how the direction of light polarization has changed after passing through the sample. By changing the relative orientation of the polarizer and analyzer, the intensity of the light can be controlled. When positioned perpendicularly, a complete darkening effect is achieved. In this position, the device for simple polarization reveals internal features of the sample that are not visible in bright field. The polarization method is used in stereomicroscopy to solve the following tasks: detection of stress defects in glass, plastics, and crystals. Analysis of material structures. Polarized light makes it possible to distinguish textures and fiber directions in minerals and polymers. Quality control and authenticity verification in jewelry examination and forensics. The method allows one to distinguish between natural and synthetic stones. It also helps to detect composites and imitations. A simple polarization device expands the functionality of a stereomicroscope when working with minerals, polymers, or glass.